What up, nomads? Today and tomorrow are Amazon Prime days. It's now Amazon Prime days because they just keep extending that sale, which is exciting for us because we get to take advantage of those discounts for a little longer and to take our time making those decisions on which items are worth our hard-earned money. Now, if you are a traveler like I am going to start looking at things like luggage, tech accessories, and different beauty items that I regularly purchase to see if I can just save a few dollars here and there. I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite sales and favorite deals that I've seen on Amazon Prime that are available today and tomorrow to Amazon Prime members only. So if you don't have an Amazon Prime membership, you're going to want to get one and go watch the Celine Dion documentary and then go shopping for Amazon Prime Day.
I wish they would give me more time to shop, actually. Make sure that they give me a few days to do some damage.
So the first category I want to touch upon is luggage, because that can be a pretty big ticket item for a lot of travelers. And two brands in particular are having crazy discounts. The first one is Level 8, and I actually have one of their largest suitcases, and it came with me to Hong Kong, and it's been with me to the US, and it's so roomy. But one item in particular that I'm kind of excited about is their aluminum suitcases. So if you've wanted the chic Rimowa aluminum suitcase look, you can now get that for under $400 because the Level 8 Gibraltar is on sale. The second brand is good old Samsonite. That's a tried and true brand, and almost all of their luggage is on sale. So if you're looking for sets, this is particularly a good time to shop. Now, electronics are a great thing to shop on Amazon in general, but particularly on Amazon Prime Day. So things like microphones and external storage, so SD cards, micro SD cards, external hard drives, these are all great to pick up on Amazon Prime. And then Apple products. Apple products are greatly discounted, and a couple of things to look for. iPads are pretty discounted, especially the older models, the Apple Watch, the AirPods, and even the AirPods Max, all of the Beats by Dr. Dre. And then one product in particular I'm excited about from Apple are the AirTags. I put these in my luggage, in my purse, my wallet, on my keys, and you can pick up a 4-pack at a pretty heavily discounted price. The other electronics I wanted to point out are things like this Bluetooth connector that connect your wireless headphones to in-flight entertainment. And then if you are traveling quite frequently and you don't have an at-home security system, all of the Ring products are on sale. So Ring doorbell, the motion sensors, the additional cameras, and motion activated lights. So if you have been in the market for one to dip your toes in, you can get one item, or if you want to get the full bundle, you can go ahead and do that and you'll get a significant discount. The Aura rings are also on sale, not by that much, but definitely enough to tip the scale if you've been on the fence. I have one and I've had one for about 7 months and I really like it. As a woman, it gives me additional insight into my cycle and body temperature. It also helps with monitoring my sleep quality. So the Aura Ring is a great electronic to pick up on Prime Day. Since this is a travel channel, of course, I'm going to highlight specifically travel items that I personally love and have purchased in the past. One of them is compression socks that, even though I'm young, I find make a difference in my overall health when I'm traveling for over 4 hours. And then this steamer for clothes is so simple but so effective, and it's great when you're traveling for a special occasion like a wedding. These little pouches are so handy and so slim and convenient. And then if you are someone who's traveling to a less safe place, and you want to make sure that you have the right accessories for that, there's actually a video that I made all about that and a blog post that walks you through all the items you might need for that kind of trip. But I also have them linked on my Amazon storefront. And that includes things like money belts and RFID blocking pouches. It includes things like travel safes and locks and anti-theft bags. So I'll link that in the description below, but not all of them are on sale during Prime days. These Cadence containers are on sale, and these are quite pricey, so that's something worth checking out if you've been curious about them. And then I also love Liquid IV to give myself additional hydration when I'm on the plane and traveling. I love any kind of packing cube, and additional pouch to keep my stuff organized. So of course, these waterproof nylon bags are great. And something that I've recently started doing to keep my makeup bag clean is to separate my makeup brushes into a silicone brush holder or pouch. So this is something that I've purchased on Amazon recently that I absolutely love. And that goes for other small containers like perfume atomizers and different cases. And then I also love travel versions of things I use at home, like this compact LED mirror and this water flosser that's mini. It's not as great as the one that I have at home, but when you're traveling, you really do sometimes have to compromise. And when I'm traveling halfway across the world or taking a red eye, I do pack melatonin with me. So that's always something nice to stock up on Amazon. And speaking of sleep, travel pillows are quite on sale. And depending on your preferences, you can go with something like this and squishy, or something more fabric based and squishy, something really structured and not squishy. The Cincha travel belt is also on sale, and I have one, and I think it's so convenient to keep your purse attached to your luggage handle. But one thing I'll say about small companies like Cincha and Cadence is, although you can buy them on Amazon and it's convenient, I would recommend going to their actual website because often they are matching the same deal, but they get to keep a little bit more of the money. So that's something that, you can discover brands on Amazon, but do try and shop their website to really make sure you're supporting them. So that about sums it up. Do shop mindfully, but take advantage of all of the amazing deals that are happening today and tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and happy travels.